Today, I'm excited to present an in-depth review of EMP Shield, an innovative, reliable solution designed to protect your electronics and electrical systems from the devastating effects of electromagnetic pulses, EMPs, and lightning strikes. If you're concerned about safeguarding your valuable devices from unpredictable electrical events, then you're in for a treat. Use coupon code MIKA for $50 off your purchase on EMP Shield. EMP Shield is a breakthrough technology that acts as a line filter, designed to intercept and neutralize harmful electromagnetic surges before they can damage your electronics. Whether you're protecting your home appliances, your car's electrical system, or sensitive equipment at your business, EMP Shield provides comprehensive defense against high-energy pulses. One of the best features of EMP Shield is its versatility. It's engineered to work with a wide range of devices, ensuring that your electronics stay safe regardless of their power requirements or configuration. What I really love about EMP Shield is its robust design combined with its ease of installation. The device is compact and can be easily integrated into your electrical system without requiring extensive modifications. This makes it an excellent option for both residential and commercial use. The unit operates silently, continuously monitoring and safeguarding your electronics without any maintenance hassle, which is a huge plus for busy households and businesses alike. EMP Shield is not only designed to mitigate the risk of EMPs but also offers protection against lightning-induced surges. This dual functionality means that you're not only prepared for large-scale, rare events but also everyday electrical surges that can cause long-term damage. With increasing weather uncertainties, having such protection in place is more important than ever. Moreover, EMP Shield has earned rave reviews from customers worldwide, with many praising its reliability and performance. Users have reported that since installing EMP Shield, they've experienced peace of mind knowing that their electronic investments are well protected against potential surges and EMP events. Now, here's some exciting news. For a limited time, you can get $50 off on all EMP Shield products. Simply use the coupon code MIKA at checkout, or click the link below. The discount code will be automatically applied. In conclusion, if you're looking to protect your electronics from the unpredictable nature of electromagnetic pulses and lightning strikes, EMP Shield is a must-have solution. Its reliable, versatile, and easy-to-install design makes it a standout choice for anyone serious about safeguarding their technology investments.